Okay, I want to go over the reverse adjustment of these Paragon manual gears. So this guy right here, all right, this is the reverse band. All right, it's pretty crude, pretty simple. So the theory of reverse here is we stop this drum, and then we're going to rotate on the planetary, and that's going to opposite rotation whatever the input is to the rear. So that would be reverse. So all we need to do is stop this drum from turning. So to get more reverse, you see this nut here. This is just a lock nut here too. Well, they're both. This is the lock, but this guy here, if I run that guy out, all right, towards the starboard side, that's going to give me more reverse. But too much is horrible too because it won't snap in. So I believe I've got this adjusted right. Obviously, the best way to adjust it's on the engine because the crankshaft is going to hold the drum. But we'll just use our big ass channel locks here. And going towards the engine is reverse. Boom. See how it just snapped in? See how that drum doesn't turn? And I'm turning the planets in there, see? So I know that's reverse. But it seems to snap in very, very good. I could not get it to snap in before. Boom, hear that snap out? Now I know I'm in neutral. Then I come over here for forward, and it's in. Now I'm in forward, see? Drum. Come back out. See, I heard it snap out. Boom, snap in, out. That's reverse, in reverse, out, in. So there you go. So the forward adjustment, if it slips them forward, is this bolt right here. So there's two holes here that we rotate that clockwise, and you can there's holes in the pressure plate. That bolt will hold it. So we rotate that inside there, usually just 1 or 2 notches or whatever, but I feel that's good. So that's what this extra hole is. Sometimes you move this bolt over here and rotate it because obviously too much to be forward all the time. Not enough is neutral all the time or slipping. So there's a crash course on Paragon manual gears like a 283 engine, Chris Crash.